Whoa! Hey, my little scribblies. So, it's like 7:20 something. Still out of focus. Do you see that? But I'm getting ready to go to San Francisco right now. I didn't eat my food. I'm gonna eat over there. I'm gonna eat some In-N-Out because I'm hungry. So I'm literally trying to pack up everything I can before I go because I have to be here out of here by 7:30. That's not good. Okay. This lighting is crusty. Ew. And then my BFF Zoe just left my room and she just ditched me here. So she's such a nice person. So I'll see you guys later. I'll be vlogging later on. So you better expect it. How do I can hold my, this hurts. So yeah. Okay, bye.
When did you get them?
Wait, I need a vlog. Hey guys, it's me, Sophia.
Hi, it's me, Angelina.
Irrelevant.
As you can see, it's beautiful.
I know, I'm so fake on camera.
I'm
better. As you can see, we're in San Francisco. As you can see, we're in San Francisco. How do you want me to talk?
Normally, like yourself.
As you can see, we're in San Francisco.
I'm ready for my clam chowder.
I'm going to the pier right now. I really have to pee.
I have to go number 2. I have to go number 2, Joey.
I am number 2. No, I'm kidding. Number 1. Better than all of you.
Okay.
I will look cute. I hope I don't look ugly. Because I feel sometimes I look really ugly. And
You look the same.
This is your face. Ready? Ready?
That one includes on me. Oh, am I allowed to say that? No? Hey, people.
It's like dirty.
Sorry, I'm like ghetto.
I see that.
Yeah.
Now, what are we doing in San Francisco, Pam?
We're out here in the city of San Francisco, chilling. Ugh!
The lighting
Why
is
did you
disgusting.
ever tell me I was disgusting?
Pam!
Let's take a picture of the opening.
Are you serious?
Us coming out. We're coming out and he's not taking a picture. Can you believe that? Oh my god. Joey is tweaking right now.
I really am.
Joey's a look. Oh my.
This is so... I have been through here.
You have?
Yeah, I've been through here.
You have to get the best part.
I knew you were going to say that. I was waiting for you to say that. I was like, when are you going to say something about you being not in it?
A cute little Captain America beanie. Look!
Why am I going to get you a beanie?
I'm being featured in your blog.
Okay.
So beautiful.
Now, what is this, Pam? These are actually really nice. We need to hurry up. We're going to get lost.
So good. What the? That's a really good one.
It was so zoomed in. It was like...
That's good. Why haven't I ever seen? Why?
Photographer over here.
Why?
Wow, everybody's over here. So basic.
Can go into my mouth.
Yeah.
Okay. Go. Out of all the things you want to look at, you look at mushrooms. But yeah. So yeah.
The fake acting, though.
We're just looking at, excuse me, mushrooms. I'll show you right now. Donuts are like almost $5, $4.
For what?
For a donut.
Why? They look so delicious. Chocolate is amazing.
I have a question. So, the Mary scavenger hunt, do you happen to know the answer to this?
Oh my god, I thought it was...
Well, farm fresh is all the way down.
So this.
Oh, dandelion.
Where are we going?
It is dandelion chocolate. We're getting chocolate, but I'm not eating it because I'm on a diet because I can't. Okay, let me refer to the diet as in I'll eat anything, but I can't eat cheese. So that sucks because I love cheese. Cheese, please.
Oh, Angel.
How do I pose?
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Eat that one. That one was like.
Oh no. It's a roller coaster. What is it?
I'm not taking a picture.
Also, kale, spinach, apples, oranges, bananas, carrots, any fruits or vegetables, cucumbers, your cereal probably would be all your meat products.
Starbucks.
Should I invite my jacket?
Whoa. Did you not see that one? Yeah, see the birds.
No, his friends are coming.
What a beautiful day. Yeah. Oh my god.
Michael.
This is the top.
Michael Kors. Yes, Michael Kors.
Here, go pigeon. Here. Los amigos también.
You got it?
What a beautiful day. Feeding all the pigeons.
So guys, we're here again with Sophia.
Yeah, do that.
That's how you talk.
I don't know how to talk in a video. Hey
Yeah, you
guys,
don't.
me Sophia. Like, do I cosplay? You're doing. Hey guys, this is Sophia.
My hat, I look really ratchet.
My
taking a
hair is
picture?
totally ruined.
It's been like that.
It's your girl back to you with the video. So we're on the bus right now.
Please hold on.
But yeah,
What's your channel, Sophia?
it's non-existent. Story time. Me and Gabby were going. What's up? That
Can't even hear you.
we went on a bus. We went on a bus after we took the train, right? And so me and Gabby were standing up, and then the train or what the bus thing started going, and me and her like fell forward. I fell in the hole, and then she like fell on top of me. Fun times, man. Fun times.
Amazing.
Yeah. So wait, do this. Like, comment, subscribe.
Oh my god.
My hair's like.
Wait, I'm gonna try one.
Oh, yeah, put on your shades, top T.
You hold it and then you.
This all looks so bad.
It really does.
Thank you.
Get what?
Yeah.
Sourdough.
Go, go, go.
I'm hungry.
Oh, I've been through here. Yeah, look through it. Can you even? It's called Bread Angelina. It's like a video. You can go through it. Boy, Jesus up in here again.
I was like,
Rocky, where are you running away?
he's like digging him.
Paparazzi.
Oh no, he found like frisbee. He like Joey's vlog. This is
I can't see it. It's really so bright.
This is a piece of bread. Yeah, you should. It's made with this. There's here.
Notice what things in your mouth is and how much it's salami.
And what?
Because of the fermentation. If you went home and did that with like a piece of white bread, you wouldn't have.
Oh.
Pode uma pegar, só cuidado com esse refrigerante aqui, ó. Vai. Pode pegar.
Oh, this is cute. I want
Ew.
here.
Go. I'll take a picture. Me. It's not working.
This is a cute picture. Inhale it.
Behind the scenes.
I've had 16 pieces of bread.
Racks.
16 pieces. 16 pieces. 16.
Of this? Why? This is disgusting.
I love bread.
Can't see you.
Like where they fall or something?
So right now we're in the bread museum. Yeah. So I don't know what to say.
Hey, where do you work? Oh yeah, I make bread.
Whoa! I didn't get that.
I did.
Can I see?
No.
I'm gonna let you guys see it maybe.
You can't see it.
Just that small little thing, is it?
Keep bringing you guys the I need more let it come out.
Come, you're always in my video.
Because dude, look, that's how I'm.
Okay. Angeline. Angeline.
I already have these socks, so my mom's trying to steal them.
Today was a good day, Joey.
Yes,
I want to
it
live
was.
here. Do you want to live here?
Yes,
I do. I want to be a model.
I already am.
A model who eats pizza all day long.
Me. Promote yourself, Angelina.
When is the bus? Huh? Do you want me to film myself?
Promote yourself.
Promote myself. Okay, I'm a dancer. Please notice me. My favorite color is black. If you say that's not a color, shame on you because it is a color. You know how people say that it's not a color, but it is. It really is.
I'm not a color.
You're a color.
I know. Your favorite color, please.
So yeah. Oh my God. So we have a.
Why do I have all these?
What?
Why do I have all
We're
those?
gonna be feeding. Huh? Who said my name? Here. We're gonna be feeding the unsheltered. Can you find me one so I can give it to them?
Huh?
Find me one so I can give them some.
I don't know.
Who wants some Milky Way?
I still have your phone.
Who wants some Milky Way?
Some Milky Way.
Oh, this is not us. This is F.
So we're going on the F or we're going on the E?
We're going on the E.
We're going on the E or we're going on the F? Hey, hey, hey. So what is this? Excited.
What's your Snapchat, Instagram,
My Snapchat,
and Facebook?
I don't have a Facebook. I'm not old like you. My Snapchat is Angelina Maid, both MEYDD, 2 D's. My Instagram is, I'm not gonna share it because I don't want my mom finding out I have one.
When you really think about it, it really isn't anything.
Because like, anyways, I really need to go pee. If someone doesn't find my bathroom right now,
Well, I mean,
we're gonna have a problem.
yeah. Like things you can like, if you were like,
Anyways.
oh, you can get this free.
Look at my eye.
Those usually are never free.
Amazing.
Really?
Or something.
No.
I should be an eye model.
And that's
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Do the thing with the flap. Tatiana, say hi
flap?
to the vlogs.
What do you
Hi,
mean the
vlogs.
flap?
The flap, right there.
The flap?
The flap.
That's not a flap. You're really dumb, Angelina.
I'm not dumb. I'm just inadequately less smarter than most people.
That's a lot of most
I
people.
got these.
Oh my god, we
It's a haul
finessed.
called
Netflix and chill.
We both got it. Other
Oh my god, look at this. Zoom in.
See it.
Oh no, I have them too.
So we got matching pairs. You got two.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, Netflix and chill. I love it too.
I got bread.
22 minutes.
Oh wait,
I love bread.
I'll show you my
Oh
bread.
my god, we still have bread. We have food.
We do have food.
Hey, what? I really want Starbucks. I'm
H&M, Brandy Melville, Urban Outfitters, Vans, glasses, I have no idea. Phone is Apple, backpack is, purse is Walmart. Yeah.
Gucci.
Shut up, Joey. She's the only one tripping. She's never been on a train before. We're going backwards.
We're going forwards. Care to sit here? Is someone bothering you that we're going?
No, I like going backwards. She opened her eyes.
You're really dumb, Angelina. Wow, Emily's playing the piano and it's really loud. But it is another day already. It's, I don't know what time it is. It's like 6 something. Today was amazing, of course. Shout out to everyone who went. And shout out to my cooking class that we got to go. And that was actually pretty fun. I know we didn't do a lot, but still, I got a lot of footage. And I'm really happy about it. So, after this video, I'm going to be shouting out everybody who wanted to be shouted out because, of course, if you were in my vlog and you wanted to be shouted out, then I'm putting you in. If you don't want to be shouted out, I won't put you in, but you know. So, I'll put the people that wanted to be given a shout out after this is done. But thanks for watching, everybody. Emily's screaming at somebody. Subscribe, because this is actually really fun. Sophia's channel will be down below. She hasn't posted anything yet, but go subscribe to her because she's starting to post when she gets a computer to edit on. So yeah, go do that. Like, share, comment, subscribe, do everything. Okay, that's it. And I don't have anything to put up right now because I was busy filming this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye. Angelina, you're in my view.
I am the view.
Giovanni put the third thing.